So I'm going to show you how to use your QuickTime player to narrate your PowerPoints or Prezi or whatever it is that you use. So the first thing you want to do is open up your QuickTime. That's the icon down here, but if you don't have it on your menu, then you need to go up to the Finder and type in QuickTime Player, and there it is, and then you have to open it up. Once you open it up, you will click on File and then New Screen Recording. So this is already recording me on full screen. It will ask you if you want to record full screen or if you want to create like a text box of just what you want to record. You can click and drag and do that too. I'm just recording full screen. So here it is. This way when you pull up your stuff, whatever it may be, like if I'm recording myself on full screen, then I already have this open. So sorry that you have to look at all of my files here. But this will be the next Prezi that I actually record. So I'll probably do an introduction to the students and open it up this way. And so now it's on full screen, and I will go through my presentation, teaching them just like I would in the classroom. And they can't see me, they're just hearing my voice. When you're actually done recording, if you're on full screen mode, you see this little black dot right here, you will click on that dot and then it will end your recording and ask you to save it. So what I do is title it whatever I want, I save it to my desktop, and then you have to open YouTube and upload it to YouTube, and that will create a link. So if you don't have a YouTube account, you're going to want to create one. I think that's the easiest way. And the easiest thing for the students to see because everybody has access to it. So I don't use my personal email for that. I have a Gmail that I use just for AP biology related stuff. So you may want to create that for yourself. So I hope that's helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.